Right, so our man Trevor here is going to have a go with the Eachine E190, this rather nice scale UH-1D. I've given you a little bit of a, told you how it works, Trev.
Yeah, I was
you ready?
listening to everything you said, so let's see. So sticks in the bottom corner.
Sticks in the bottom corners after you're unlocked and it starts up.
Then release them.
Yep.
A little bit of throttle and it should take off, hopefully.
Correct. Then it flies pretty much like a drone, to be honest.
Well, yeah, even like hands off the stick, it's staying where it should be, so straight away I'm not having to stress or panic. So this is on the low rates, which to be fair, that's probably how I definitely want to start off, I think, until I get confident with it. Yeah, on low rates it's
very docile, right?
Yeah, really docile actually. If anything, I kind of think I could probably wouldn't take long before you'd want to be moving the rates up. I don't know what it would be like in a strong wind trying to handle with these rates. It might.
No, you would definitely need high rates if there was a bit of wind to be able to fly against it.
Yeah, it's really easy to fly actually. Almost looks like I know what I'm doing, but I'm just making it up as I go along.
Watch the trees.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing, you're on low rates, you picked up a bit of speed and it takes a
while to
slow down.
It's like a car skidding, isn't it?
Yeah, really? Exactly.
Yeah, you can actually be quite severe with the sticks. It doesn't do anything crazy.
Right, we'll try it on high rates now.
Okay.
I'll do that for you. So,
I'm switch on the left.
Just got to be conscious of the speed that you pick up.
Yeah.
And that gives you about twice the amount of bank angle, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely notice the speed. Yeah, even on the high rates it's actually pretty easy to fly. If anything, you probably could get carried away, I think. As you say, you end up drifting into an object.
Yeah, you do have to think with helicopters. You don't have brakes. Right, now if you want to flick it into low mode and you can land it. Oh, you're just on.
Yeah, that was for the auto land.
Was it? That was auto landing.
Yeah, I was quite high up when
you hit it. I think the lower you are, the more accurate you could probably be.
Yeah, that's really cool actually.
Anyway, good first attempt.
Yeah, I like that. Cheers.
So that's the E190, Eachine E190, this UH-1D from them. The link is in the video description and pinned comment.
Yeah, very cool.
The only thing you should do for safety after you've landed is flick that lock switch.
Oh, so
there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So it is, then there's nothing can go wrong. Wouldn't want to see you cut your fingers off.
Decapitate myself. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. Lots of detail on that.
Good looking heli.
Yeah.
And that's before we put the extra stickers on it, to be honest, which you could also do.
It doesn't actually look like a radio control helicopter, does it? It's got so much detail on it. You could just looks like a model, really, doesn't it?
I mean, on a nice day, if it was blue skies and you were out there, you'd think it was the real thing.
Yeah,
to be honest, except for the sound, maybe. So again, the link for this in the video description and pinned comment. Trev, thanks for the flying demo.
That's all right.
You've proven that a first-time user can fly it quite easily.
Yeah, I'm definitely no expert with helicopters, but that, yeah, as she said, it's a bit like a drone to fly, really.
Yeah, much
Yeah,
like that.
Very easy to fly.
Great. Thanks very much, everybody. See you soon. Bye.
Cheers.
Adios.
Adios.